Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to delete your history on Pinterest using just the mobile app in 2025. Let's get right into it. First, open the Pinterest app and log in if you haven't already. Now tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then in the top right, tap the mini profile icon again. That opens your settings. Scroll down and tap on Privacy and Data. Here's where Pinterest keeps all your activity controls. To clear your search history, find and tap Clear Recent Searches, then confirm it. That deletes everything you've typed into the search bar. Want to go further? You can also scroll down and tap Clear Cache. This doesn't delete your account or pins. It just clears saved data from the app. If you're trying to reset your home feed suggestions, unfortunately, Pinterest doesn't have a full delete all activity button. But what you can do is edit your home feed tuner. Still in Settings, go to Home Feed Tuner, then History. Here you'll see content Pinterest thinks you're interested in. You can unfollow topics or remove items that influence your feed. It's not the same as wiping everything, but it gives you more control over what you see. And that's it. Hope this helped. I'll see you in the next one.